You would have seen the 100-meter finals last evening, years ago, decades ago. I don't think that many persons thought they would have seen a sub 11-second run at champs for the girls. No, we've seen it twice.
Yeah, twice in 3 years.
Twice in 3 years.
Yeah, it's called the Roger Bannister effect. For a long time, no one would break 4 minutes in the mile, and after he did it, over 200,000 people have done it since then. This is
Algie Lewis from St. Elizabeth Technical. This is the boys' triple jump qualification, Class 1. Michael Andre Edwards, the defending champion, is in this first flight, already wrapped up the long jump title. Such an outstanding athlete from Jamaica College. And Kato, the silver medalist from last year, also from Jamaica College, will go in the other section. Flight 2 as we look back here at Lewis from St. Elizabeth Technical. Took off well behind the board. And then the different phases just got choppy from there. Could not recover. 13.14 in his first attempt. Kai Anthony Hall from Excelsior to take on his first attempt here. And let's see what he will do. Stepping up, his first year Class 1 was a silver medalist in Class 2 last year for Excelsior in the triple jump. And here he is. Pretty measured approach, and again just really didn't look as if he was going to register a mark there. Was slow in his approach. Hit the board and fouled there and just decided to abort the jump. So here it is. One more time, Daniel.
Yes, he started slowing down. He wasn't sprinting. So very cautious, hesitant, and it showed fouled on the board and just aborted the jump. And this is Travis Caden of Excelsior, actually, on his first attempt. On the runway now, Antonia Anderson of Calabar.
So here he is, down the track. And enters the sand. Let's see what that comes back as.
Solid effort from Anderson of Calabar. Efficient through the phases. Can see the difference in run up here, a lot more purpose. Still cautious though, still reserved. This is the first attempt. Just want to get a mark in. He's behind the board and gets that out the way.
The record here, by the way, 1666 from outstanding Jaden Hibbert.
14.59 meters for Anderson of Calabar on that first attempt.
The 14.49, Ajari Bloomfield from Titchfield for his first attempt. Here he is for his second attempt. And I'm a little bit surprised that both Excelsior athletes are listed in Flight 1. Usually they split the schools in terms of Flight 1, Flight 2. Ajari Bloomfield from Titchfield, waiting the call to commence his jump. Got the bronze behind the Jamaica College pair last year in this event. Edwards and Kato. And taking a little bit long here for him to go. See the official walking across. Just want to keep active, keep warm. No issues in keeping warm because it's absolutely bearing down in terms of the heat here at the National Stadium. So clearly there's an issue in the stands. The official has gone across And he's pointing to someone, not sure what's happening. And he's heading back to his seat. So we're about to resume action here in the boys' Class 1 triple jump preliminaries. Gets a white flag now. Bloomfield of Titchfield. Doing excellent, and I was speaking about in terms of the field defense and the qualification process as Bloomfield takes off behind the board. Should be safe, should get the white flag as he exits the sands there. Let's wait to see what mark he will get. Gone over 14.4 on his first attempt. Well behind the board there, Danielle.
Yes, that was lots of room to spare, so he'll have to make some adjustments. And again, still early in the competition. And each time you want to build up, make some adjustments to your run-up, and work the runway with a little bit more aggression and speed to carry you through the phases of the triple jump.
Kingston College's Raquel Hunter. Here is tall, rangy, and that is well over that mark of 14.90, which is the automatic qualification mark to the final.
One of the best jumps we've seen this morning. Very tall athlete. Very confident down the runway. Let's look at the replay. Very different than what we've seen. We see a lot of caution from the athletes, and he was very confident in his run-up. Takes off from behind the board, but still gets good distance in the phases and gets out well above 50.